So I've found the source of the smell of fuel I've been having for the past few months. This vent pipe to the charcoal canister is split, and this seems extremely common. Benz W202 did it, and my buddies Clk did the same thing, I believe. So this might be something to look at first if you smell fuel around the back end of your car. Obviously this is a Clk, but it's the same thing on all of them. Inside the wheel arch with the wheel arch liner. So you've got the filler net going down there, and then you've got this breather pipe coming around there. What vent pipe. So yeah, that might be something worth keeping an eye on. Alright, quick 10-minute fix, and need a bit of hose, a couple of Jubilee clips, job's a peach. Shouldn't have to put up with the smell of petrol anymore. For now, till another hose splits, probably on the fuel filter. That's what I'm expecting next. Anyway guys, hope that was useful to you. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.